Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail haul for you all, and I absolutely love creating these for you guys, and I know how much you guys enjoy watching them. I can tell by the amount of views that I get. I see that it is very enjoyable for many of you, so thank you so much for always tuning in and supporting my channel. It means the absolute world to me. So I'm starting off with Set Snow Co, and this is a company that I absolutely love. They sell nail art supplies, but I think they're mostly known for their glitters, and they're super affordable. These are literally $2 each, and they are just stunning, and they have a variety of different ones, and they also have collections. And they don't send this to me or anything. I just genuinely love them, and I definitely recommend them. And the shipping's only like $3 and some cents, so it definitely is a must and a plus. And I will be showing in future videos me organizing my glitters. I think it's so much fun just filming that for you guys and just seeing how a lot of people really enjoy watching it. So I'll definitely be creating more of those organized with me videos for you all. So here I'm just briefly showing you all the ones that I chose this time around. I absolutely love these glitters, and I recommend you guys check out their website because they are definitely awesome and affordable. So next I'm moving on to something I purchased through Aliexpress, which is something really new to me. I had never seen this anywhere, or like in a tutorial or anything, or maybe there are tutorials with this. Pretty sure there are, but I just haven't came across any. But I did come across these watercolors for nail art on AliExpress, and I saw them and I had to get them. I was like, wow, they absolutely are stunning. I have to get as many as I can, and I just got a few though, and I'm just gonna be showing you what they look like and also testing them out for you guys. They are so amazing. Like, I definitely have to go back and purchase the rest of the colors that I didn't buy. But yeah, here I'm just showing you what they look like. They are fairly small, but I'm pretty sure they last a while. I absolutely love them, so I'm definitely gonna go back and purchase more. I will have everything linked down below for you guys down in the description box, just in case you're interested in purchasing anything you saw in today's haul. Okay, so I already have a swatch stick with some gel polish on there for you could see better the watercolor, and you use these, you activate these with water only. I had tried off camera with acetone, it does not work, so it's just with water. So that's what I'm doing here, and if you guys can see, it just looks so beautiful and you can do so much with this, and I just can't wait to create looks using these watercolor palettes. They are so amazing, and I'm just so grateful that I came across these because wow, they're just phenomenal. This is one of those things that I'm just like in awe of. So I'm definitely in awe about how amazing these are and how beautiful they look and how you can mix them. You can do literally whatever you desire, and it just adds the nails, it just takes the nails to a whole other dimension. So I am definitely loving these. So I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy me doodling around and showing you what it consists of. So next I'm moving on to these art nail decorations, and these are just some flames that you can add to the nail. You can encapsulate them, you can put them over top, whatever you desire. So I'm just going to be showing you these cool holographic flames that come in different colors, and I'm also going to be showing you guys on a swatch stick with some base coat how they look on a nail if you were to put them or place them on a nail look. I just want to start incorporating more, like showing you guys what it actually looks like or what you can create with these nail art decorations that I get, because I just honestly have so many, so I might as well just show you guys. Why not? I think it makes the video a lot better and a lot more entertaining to watch. So here I'm just grabbing some base coat, and then I'm just gonna be adhering some flames to the nail. So next we're moving to an art item that one side is with gold embellishments, and then on the other side you have like crushed rocks and some rhinestones. And I thought this was really nice because you can literally do so much with it when it comes to like under the sea nail looks or mermaid looks. I definitely have been obsessed with under the sea mermaid type of nail looks at the moment. I don't know why, I just really like those. So here I'm just showing you everything it includes, and I think it was a really nice composed nail art box. And I'm just gonna be grabbing a swatch stick with some base coat once again and just doodling around with whatever I see here, and just showing you guys things that you can create or what it looks like. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this nail art haul so far. Don't forget to like this video and hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. And thank you guys once again so much for all the love and support. So here I'm just unboxing and showing you guys like a little dish, and I absolutely want to stock up on these little dishes just to incorporate any nail art that I'm going to be using, whether it's rhinestones, charms, and here I'm just showing you guys some examples of what you can place in there just in case. Sometimes I just don't want to bring out all my like materials. I could just literally place them in there and that is it. So that is what I brought that for. Next, I'm moving on to some Shein and nail art stickers that I purchased. So I'm just going to be showing you very briefly the ones that I purchased. So lastly, I'm going to be showing you these glitters that I purchased through Amazon, and they're really affordable. And along with this little box, it brings a 100-180 grit nail file from OPI. It also includes a dusting brush, something like that, and it was very soft. So that's always a plus when it includes extra goodies, and then some nail art brushes that are double-sided. So I definitely was happy about that. And it also brings like holographic glitters, and then it brings these mixed like chunkier glitters that are so beautiful that you could do it in both ways, which I will be showing you how you can use them both ways. So these glitters are really beautiful, as you guys could see. So now I'm just grabbing some base coat to adhere the chunky glitter normally, how you just apply it wherever you'd like on a nail. So that is what I'm doing here. And next I'm going to show you how you could use it like for a hollow nail. So I'm just showing you here these two different ways that you can use them, and I'm just so excited. They're so stunning and they were really affordable. I don't remember how much this cost, but I know it was really cheap, so I'm really happy that I purchased it. So here I'm just showing you the first way that you can apply it. And now I'm going in again, and I already cured the base coat, and now I'm just using this as a hollow nail. Let's see if it works. At first I was like, just to see if it worked, because that's what it said, that you can use it like a hollow nail. So it actually did work, so I was really impressed, and I will be showing you guys how it looks in the end. And now we're coming into this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.